I'm Bernina expert Amanda Murphy, and I'd like to introduce my second set of ribbon candy rulers for brewer sewing. There are 3 rulers in the set, and they are in between the sizes of the first set. They come in both long arm and low shank thickness. The first set was so popular, principally because it's so easy to use. So you just quilt all the way up and all the way down right into that little pocket on the ruler. Stop, shift your ruler, and of course the lines on the ruler go over your previous stitching lines, and quilt up and down again. That's it. You get perfect ribbon candy every time. You can order my rulers through your favorite local quilt shop, or if you aren't lucky enough to have a local shop, through my website, Happy Quilting.